everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited to show you how to recreate your very own healthy summer salad with your very own vegan mayo. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. This literally tasted so delicious, so nutritious as well, and it's literally healing your body from within. The thing we're going to be taking is some romaine lettuce. This is my favorite type of lettuce. I just washed it and we're now just going to chop it up like so. Romaine lettuce is really high in minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium. It's also naturally low in sodium, and it also is packed with vitamin C and vitamin K. This lettuce is also beneficial for lowering blood pressure. I'm just taking some cucumber and just chopping it up. Cucumber is a real superfood loaded with antioxidants and minerals. It can aid in weight loss, it also promotes hydration, and it may lower your blood sugar levels. Just chopping up some cherry tomatoes, which is my favorite type of tomatoes, and I've also got a big one as well. So yeah, I like to mix it up a little bit. Chopping up some spring onions. These are a really good source of calcium and vitamin C. Also chopping up some avocado, which is God's butter. I just love this. It's like a gift from up above. Also going to be taking some mango, which is amazing. It's also full of essential minerals and it literally alkalizes your body. High in antioxidants, it boosts your immunity, it may improve digestive health, it also is really good for your hair, skin and nails. It literally brightens up salads and it adds a little tropical vibe and makes your salad taste super juicy. And this is what I'm also going to be using to make the vegan mayonnaise. And also, guys, I just want to say I didn't actually come up with this recipe by myself. I'm going to link the channel down below that I saw it on. It's called Ty's Conscious Kitchen. I saw it like a few years ago, so I kind of have tweaked it as I can't really remember the full recipe. So I've kind of like tweaked it to my liking. Basically just going to add some of the mango into our little blending cup, and then we're going to add our favorite seasonings. So mine that I'm going to be adding is some coriander, some sea salt, some ginger powder and some cayenne pepper. Also going to be taking some grapeseed oil. One of these days, guys, if I can open it, look at how I opened it, it snapped. Literally one of those days where when things can go wrong, they're going wrong. But always look on the bright side, guys. Be optimistic rather than pessimistic, because like attracts like. If you channel positive energy, you'll get it back. Just adding in some organic cayenne pepper as well and a little bit more sea salt. Now that I've managed to open up the oil, I'm just going to add in a little bit to make our vegan mayonnaise. Added in a little bit spring water. Now it's time to blend it. Voila, we just made a vegan mayo. Just going to store it in one of my cute little jars like so, and it tastes so sweet and delicious and adds a kick to your salad. I'm just getting ready to plate up my beautiful salad and make it nice and aesthetically pleasing. I'm just adding a little bit sea salt to the avocado And we're now going to take the vegan mayo and just add it as a salad dressing. This meal will literally heal you from within, guys, leaving you full of essential minerals and vitamins and full of energy and leaving you on a natural high. Because guys, remember, health is true wealth. There you basically have it, guys. Please do leave me a comment in the comment section below if you do try this recipe. I would love to hear back from you guys. And also, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Instagram as well, which I'll link down below, and I love you guys so much.
Pink one-eyed Batman.
Pink one-eyed Batman.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
When's your birthday?
In August.
August the what?
In 2013.
Oh, well done. That's the year you're born, Kaden. You're very smart, aren't you? What is my memory card doing on the floor, Kaden?